How to do text color change effect in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Bring a Text Plus node and connect it to the media out. Select the text node, type some text, and change its color to another color, and change its style to your liking. Select the text node, press Shift plus space, search for glow, and add it. Select the glow node, press Shift plus space, search for color corrector, and add it. Select the color corrector node, and you can use hue to change the text color. So right-click on hue and choose Modify with Shake. Now in the Modifiers tab, click on Recede button if you're not happy with the initial color of the text. Decrease the smoothness if you want a flickering text color look. Or increase it so changing colors will be smoother. Also, you can set minimum to -1 to get a complete range of hue values. You can add a soft glow node after the color corrector node and adjust its settings if you want more glow. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.